I've already created an envelope size canvas. Let us begin by adding a box of the envelope size to the canvas. Press Alt and use the Move tool to take a copy of the front side box to create the back side of the envelope. To ensure a safe margin, add a 0.5 inches x 0.5 inches box inside these boxes. Add guides for accurate positioning. After aligning, delete these guide boxes. Now, it's time to add your logo and text to the envelope. We'll experiment with the text, logo, and shape settings to find the perfect combination before finalizing the design. And there you have it, our A4 envelope design is now complete. Fantastic! Let us get started on the file cover design. I see that you've already set up a file cover size canvas, which is great. Now, we can begin the creative process to design a captivating and professional file cover. Feel free to share any specific ideas or elements you'd like to include, such as the company logo, colors, typography, or any other branding elements. To ensure a safe margin, add a 0.5 inches x 0.5 inches box inside these boxes. Add guides for accurate positioning. After aligning, delete these guide boxes. We'll experiment with the text, logo, and shape settings to find the perfect combination before finalizing the design. Design is now complete. Stay tuned for our next video where we will be showcasing other stationery products. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified about our latest content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact us through our social media accounts or leave a comment in the comment section.